Somewhere in your site, a decision is waiting on information that doesn't exist yet. The drawings are outdated. The measurements are manual. The real condition of the asset lives in the field and in the memory of some experienced people who may soon be retiring. That gap has a price. Rework, delays, unplanned shutdowns, and exposing people to unnecessary field data gathering. Rysax closes that gap. We laser scan your assets exactly as they are, with millimetric accuracy, proven across more than 10 million square feet of industrial environments. From the point cloud, we design as-built 3D models that plug directly into your engineering, production, or maintenance workflows. Every decision starts from reality, not assumptions. And for shutdowns or capital projects, our 3D animations and 4D simulations let your teams share the complexity of the work with upper management, improving understanding and communication levels. Rysax, supporting companies from capture to model, from digital to decision. Contact us today and let us show you how we do it.